PSTV, Public Service Television. I'm Dan, and this is the Demolition Dan Show. Today's program deals with bringing down the house in the most quick and easy way. A demolition ball is one familiar form of destruction. As you see, it's messy and requires more manpower to clean it up than the perfected procedure that I am going to show you today. Here, my friends, is the perfect procedure to collapse a 100-year-old house. Dynamite! Bringing the area into the 21st century. Out with the old and in with the new. Modernizing. Putting down fresh concrete. Concrete is clean, crisp, and current. Making improvements that better suit popular and profitable trends. How do you wipe out the past? For that avant-garde style? Dynamite. Speedy, swift, safe. I have a variety of charges here, each formulated to destroy. Destruction at its best. I have air bomb, reverberation, and my favorite is dancing phantom. Hey, let's get started. Here's the home that we've chosen for today's project. The fireworks, as we like to call them, have been placed strategically inside the home. The placing of the detonations and fuses have been eliminated from your viewer's sight. It's a closely guarded secret among my demolition mates. Just one more thing. We'll have to wait till nightfall, as it gives the whole experience a bigger rush. We're ready. Let's go. Fire the hole! Some more. Job well done. This is Demolition Dan saying see you next week and have a good one.
Here comes the axe and here comes the smasher.